Bathroom remodeling contractors need mad skills like plumbing relocation, tile installation, and waterproofing to make your space pop without turning into a total disaster. So, first off, if you want to be solid at bathroom remodeling, you gotta know how to handle plumbing relocation like a boss. That means understanding how pipes work and where to move them without flooding your house or breaking code. Next up, tile installation is huge. You want those tiles laid out smooth and clean, no weird gaps or crooked lines, because that stuff sticks around forever. Waterproofing is another major deal. If you don't seal everything right, water sneaks in and ruins your walls and floors real quick. Always use the right materials for waterproofing and double check every corner, especially around showers and tubs. Also, keep your tools sharp and clean because sloppy work shows fast. Don't forget to measure twice before cutting anything. That saves so much headache. Lastly, communication with your client is clutch. To make sure you're clear on what they want, so you don't have to redo stuff later. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make when it comes to plumbing relocation is not checking local building codes, which can lead to costly fines or having to redo work. The fix? Always research the rules before starting. Another common issue is tile installation errors like uneven grout lines or using the wrong adhesive, which causes tiles to crack or fall off. To avoid this, take your time prepping surfaces and pick the right materials for the job. Waterproofing mistakes happen when contractors skip layers or use cheap products, letting water get through and cause mold or rot. The best way to fix this is following manufacturer instructions exactly and testing for leaks before closing walls. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't ghost you mid-project. For contractors, it's a cool way to get steady work from people looking for pros in bathroom remodeling and other big home fixes.